Understanding, die hard, a phrase in the English language. Hello, everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we have a fascinating topic to discuss, and it's all about understanding the English phrase, die hard. Whether you're a student, a professional, or just someone who loves learning English, you're in the right place. So, let's dive into it and unravel the mystery behind this intriguing phrase. Die hard is an idiomatic expression in English, and it generally means a habit, belief, or tradition that is very difficult to change or stop. For example, if someone says, "Old habits die hard," they mean that it's really hard to change a habit that someone has had for a long time. The phrase, die hard, has a historical background. It was first used during the Battle of Waterloo in 1815, where a British infantry unit, the 57th Regiment of Foot, was commanded to stand its ground at all costs. Despite suffering severe casualties, the soldiers fought bravely, earning them the nickname, the Die Hards. From this, the phrase, die hard, evolved into a term used to describe anything that shows resistance to change or enduring strength. Now that we know what die hard means and where it comes from, let's look at how we can use it in sentences. Here are a few examples. 1. Even though she has moved to a different country, her die-hard loyalty to her hometown's football team remains. 2. Here, die hard describes the woman's strong and unchanging loyalty to her football team. 3. Despite the new evidence, his die-hard beliefs in the old theories made him skeptical. 4. In this sentence, die hard is used to describe the man's strong and resistant beliefs. 5. She is a die-hard fan of classic literature, and she reads a novel every week. 6. Die hard, in this context, describes the person's strong and unwavering passion for classic literature. And that's a wrap on Die Hard. We hope that this video has been insightful and has helped you understand how to use this phrase in your daily English conversations. Remember, learning a new language takes time and practice, so don't be discouraged if it doesn't come naturally at first. Keep practicing, and you'll get there. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.